Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do another first impression and product review. One is from Drugstore and another one is from a brand from Sephora. Isn't it so exciting when we do comparison between a drugstore and a high-end brand, right? And see which one is more worth buying. All right, so these are the two brow products. So this one is from Essence, and then this one is from Benefit. This one is the Brow Microfilling Pen. It looks like this. So it looks like a trident tip. And then same with this one this is the Eyebrow Pen. And it looks like the same, the trident tip. So first impression on how they look like. Before I start the video, I kind of look at the tip and they look very similar. And then the color that I got are the same. Both are medium brown. So this one is from Benefit and the Essence. So I'll show you guys how it looks like. This one here, a bit lighter, is from Benefit, and the one that's a bit darker is from Essence. All right, so price-wise, the Essence is $3.99 Canadian dollars and Benefit is 33 Canadian dollars. So this product claims to be smudge proof, waterproof, and long wearing up to 24 hours. While as this one, it is a semi-permanent brow pen and it is paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. This one doesn't say anything from Sephora website about this product, so I'm not sure about it. So those are the differences between the price, ingredients, and what they promise to give us. So right now, we are all about the eyes. So eyebrows, lashes, everything over here that's not covered by the mask is what we're trying to find holy grail or something that we can use easily for every day. So now we are going to jump into testing them out on my brows. So you guys can see I have something on my brows, so I'm going to take it off first. Okay guys, so I removed everything on my brows. As you guys can see, there's still some shading because I'll be honest with you guys, I have brow tattoo a few years ago back in the Philippines because one of my brows have scars, so I have to do that. So it is actually quite tricky for me to try brow products because of the natural shading that I have from the tattoo. So it's a little bit harder to see compared to virgin brows. I don't know how you call it, with brows without microblading or tattoo. So if you have microblading or tattoo, then you know the struggle, or maybe you know how it is nice to woke up like this. But anyway, let's just jump into trying this brow pens. Right, so on this side, I'm going to use the Benefit on my left eye, and then other side will be the Essence. I'm going to bring you up close here so you guys can see. Okay, so we're gonna start with this one. It says to start with clean brows, no brow product whatsoever. So don't have any now. I'm gonna start here. Okay. And then from the arch, I'm going down. And then I'm using the tip to extend my tail. And then you can build up the intensity of the color. But I want to show you guys how it looks like with the strokes. I would say it's a little bit light for the shade of my brows. So I'm trying to see if I can add a bit more without making it look too dark or weird. It's actually really pigmented, like I'm barely pressing the pen. You can see it. I'll show you guys up close. That's that with and without. This one is a bit more warmer than my natural brow shading from the tattoo. So now I'm going to use the Challenger, the one from Drugstore, Essence, the eyebrow pen. So I'm gonna do the same thing. It's also pretty pigmented, to be honest, guys. I think this is a bit darker than the Benefit. So I'm just building up the intensity. Trying to make it even. So you can use the side of it to extend the tail. There you go. What do you guys think? Which one do you like more? So this is a bit warmer, and then this one is darker. So that's how it looks like. It's actually nice because it's so quick and easy. You do less work as long as you know how to stroke it properly, compared to just the regular eyebrow pencil that you have to do more strokes. But this one, since it's a Trident tip, you get like 3 strokes in one. The only thing, I think they only have like 4 colors for both brands, because I'm swatching them and there's nothing that comes off from doing that. I don't know, I think the Benefit one is more defined. Yeah, I think it's more thinner to give you more brow strokes, but honestly you can't really tell the difference, so I'm showing you guys up close. So my final verdict on these 2 brow pencils, between the two, who is the winner? I think it's pretty obvious that Store Benefit. I would pick the Essence, the Drugstore brand, because of the price and pretty similar result and look to my brows. Totally, I would repurchase this one and use it for my everyday kind of routine. Quick and easy brows. So yeah, I would say this is literally a dupe for the Benefit. So if you guys have tried any of these 2, please comment down below and let me know what you think and how was your experience and thoughts about them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments and what products you want me to do a review or first impression. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys next week. Take care and keep safe.